Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your AT&T service, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your AT&T service, first, locate your device. Ensure it is charged and powered on. Next, connect your device to a Wi-Fi network if available. Open your device's settings menu. Select the network or connections option. Look for an option labeled Mobile Networks or Cellular. Tap on Activate Service or Set Up Device. If prompted, enter your AT&T account information. This typically includes your phone number and password. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the activation. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Visit the AT&T website and select Sign Up. Once your account is set, return to your device. Reattempt the activation process. For some devices, you might need to restart after activation. Check for any updates in your device settings. If the activation fails, contact AT&T customer support. They can help troubleshoot any issues. Once successful, test your service by making a call or sending a text. Enjoy your newly activated AT&T service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.